Charlie guys, I have something amazing to share with you guys. Are you tired of living in Accra? Now, most of you are now going to Debris. This side I want to show you today. This is in the Volta region. We are in Amejope today. The highest settlement in Ghana. Here is very cool and chilly. We are in this beautiful Airbnb property here. We call it the cabin, right? Done with beautiful woodwork. It's just amazing. And the view is crazy. Wow. Guys, this is where I'm spending the day right here. So I want to showcase this to you before we even get settled here. I'm here with my guys and we're going to party all night long right here, right? So I want to show you the property. Right, so let's get into the property so that you can check it out. All right, so you see, this is about 80% woodwork. So this is POP done, but this is wood. The entire structure is wood with it. It's just a beautiful cabin, it's beautiful, right? It comes with a TV, and then we have Starlink internet to take care of business around here. You have a kitchen. Look at your fridge, deep fryer, washing machine, everything you need in the kitchen, right? You have it right here, something to take care of it. And even this also gives you the view to the large greenery. This is Amejope, the highest of Ghana, guys. It's beautiful. And this, come and see something, right? This is the washroom also. Tower down here, this is the washroom of the place. It's beautiful. Beautiful basin here. I like it. Yeah. So it's just, let me say a one bedroom, but if you come with your guys, they have tent also. So a tent is, I think the tent is 100 Ghana cedis. So who will come to this place and be thinking of sleeping inside the room unless you have kids? So you book this place, you have the tent at the outside there, and it's just going to be beautiful, right? Let's go. Yeah, I'm climbing. This is pure woodwork, right? So you have a bed right here at the top. Even in this property, you're still elevated. It gives you that cozy feel. Look at the lighting. Like as if you're in Hong Kong. Oh! I like it. Orthopedic. You have your standard bed also here. Right? There's an air conditioner in case you depress your body. And the view here is also beautiful. Oh! Come check it out. Come check out the view. Good. The view is also very beautiful. So we have your standard bed right here. You have a place to organize your wares, right? You put your bag here. Whoa. You have more beddings also right here in it. Oh, it's beautiful, right? So it is not huge space, but something beautiful, cute that can take care of you and your family. So if you are going on a honeymoon with your partner, you can imagine come to this place, and in the room you still elevated, right? Come, let's go down. Now I want to tell you a little bit about this area. Amejope. It's not just in a regular landscape, a regular place you can experience in Ghana, right? This is the highest point of settlement right here in Ghana. And the people have beautiful history, right? They have a dining area also, so you have your mandems, you can actually eat more and take care of things right here. So this is the cabin we have right here. It's going for 3,000 Ghana cedis. And here we're going to celebrate, have a feel of it later in the evening. I just want to share this with you before we get down to business. So if you want to have a party, you want to get away from everybody doing something out there in Accra, then Charlie guys, this is where you're supposed to come, right? The view is beautiful. You can check out my guys. Check out my guys. These are the guys we're going to do party here tonight. Yeah. And I like for the fact that they also have beautiful internet here. Starlink taking care of business. See, if you are depressed, that anxiety is disturbing you, you just want clarity in your mind, this is the place you're supposed to come. The cabin right here is just beautiful. Charlie, guys, there are some extras also, Charlie. I don't know whether to call it a jacuzzi or a pool or whatever. It's beautiful. We have this also here, right here. So if you have the babies and you want something to chill them down, you have this also right on the property. Like, if it's a honeymoon vibe, it's beautiful, right? We have this also here. Charlie, come. I want you to come. Come to the top here. And then right in the corner there also, we have our thing. Look at it. Look at the area. Can you see there's no mountains? This is Amejope, right? In our subsequent episode, I'm going to tell you stories about this place. There are some beautiful stories about this very place that you're supposed to be aware of. Guys. So you have a little area also like a lounge area. You can see we have our things around. You can sit down, have your business meeting. So if you're thinking about spending some quality time outside Accra or outside the city lights, you want to be embedded deep into serenity and nature, then guys, this is the place you're supposed to be. 3,000 Ghana cedis a night, and you have all this to rejuvenate your spirit. Now look at this view, right? The beautiful thing is that when you get to this place, you can also explore the Amejope Mountain Gemi. They have a beautiful waterfall also here, a canopy walk also, so you can plan a trip with your partner or your friends. Just come here. And I mentioned that we don't have limits for the room. We have tent also for rental, so you can sleep outside and still enjoy this very space. The view here, right there, deep. I don't know whether the camera can even pick it. That is the Volta Lake, and this whole area is the Avatime area, making up about 6 or 7 towns and villages joined together. So this is what we're experiencing right here. And later this evening, it's a party time. Right, so if you want to book this place, you can contact me myself. I'll connect you to the people. You can book it 3,000 Ghana cedis a night, and this is going to be your own. This is Prince on the Go. Please subscribe to the channel, be part of the community, turn on your post notification. We bring you the hidden gems in Ghana that will give you the ultimate feel to rejuvenate your spirit, to run away from the city lights and just be you.